What? Oh, okay. Good God. Holy shit, that's good. Oh, my poop's gonna be so many different colors after this. Like, I don't even know. Hey guys, welcome to the Booze Lab. Today on the Booze Lab, we've got Warheads soda. We're gonna create some great cocktails for you, but we're also gonna try these sodas on their own. So today on the Booze Lab, it's Warheads. Bring it on. We're gonna start with the lemon soda on its own. Okay, Warheads, I see you. So now, it's cocktail time. Yeah. And here we have our expertly crafted cocktail called the Lemonade Stand, made with the lemon warhead. Holy shit, that's good. Everything actually is really well balanced. Cameron, you wanna try this? She doesn't like anything. That's good. That's really good. Yeah. All right. Moving on down the line, we've got our watermelon warhead soda. I personally love watermelon flavoring anything. I know. Actually, it's like a watermelon candy just melted in my mouth. We're about to taste the taste of summer. It's got some watermelon warhead soda, Aperol, Prosecco, watermelon vodka. Let's try this, right? Yay. Your taste of summer. Oh, okay. Okay. This is kind of a, I don't know, a funner version. Funniest, whatever. It's a more fun version of an Aperol Spritz. If you don't like the taste of an Aperol Spritz, it's got a little lemon kick to it.
It smells like candy.
Oh, that told you.
The Prosecco adds like some bubbles. That's the taste of the seasons, baby.
I like it. All right, so we blew right through those two. We're getting on the blue raspberry warhead soda. Let's see how it goes down. A little bit of sour, a little bit of bite back here, but not anything I can't handle. No, that's not bad. Okay, bring on the cocktail. The fifth year. This is called the fifth year. I'm gonna taste this and see if we can figure out why this is called the fifth year. I would say on aesthetics alone, I would totally order this somewhere. The balance is not as good as the other ones. People order drinks based on looks and aesthetics. This is a pretty drink. I would order this drink. Why is it the fifth year? Come try this.
If blue raspberries were to exist in nature, this is what they would taste like.
Okay, where's the blood? Did you wash these? You didn't wash these? Moving right along. Going to the black cherry warhead soda. Ooh, it's very cherry. It's not sour. It is a lot of flavor in a tiny sip. This is probably a new school take on a cherry bourbon cocktail. Bring it on. And it's black cherry soda.
New school.
New school. Good God. Hold on. I wasn't expecting that. The whole first sip was bourbon. The whole first sip. Okay.
Take two.
No.
I don't hate it. It's kind of a form of self-torture.
You know, I think actually if we topped it with like Topo Chico, we topped this with a little bit of seltzer water, that would actually bring down the bourbon and cherry flavor, and that would actually probably mellow it out really, really nice. And pour this over a snow cone and possibly be in business. I love green apple flavored things. I will not turn down anything green apple flavored. Oh, it tastes just like a piece of sour apple candy. It's good. Couldn't drink a whole bunch of it. It's sweet. It's a ginormous apple wheel. I've made a Johnny Appleseed cocktail, which has tequila. I do like tequila. Pear liqueur, the apple Warhead soda, and a little bit of lime juice. Oh, my poop's gonna be so many different colors after this. Y'all, I don't hate it. Okay, it's a very interesting, like, little swirly, twirly, magical goodness of flavors. Yeah, it passes the test. This is not bad. Oh, it's good apple. You have margaritas?
No.
You don't like margaritas?
No, I don't like tequila.
It's good. It's good.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
You don't have all the ingredients to make a margarita. You're like, I don't know, throw some of that shit in here. Let's go. I think that this Johnny Appleseed, this is my #1 pick. It's actually the most complex because it does have more alcohol in it. Maybe that's why it's my #1 pick. No, you know what? It's a tie between the apple and the watermelon, but that's kind of how I feel about the Warheads too. My favorite of Warheads are apple and watermelon. So, touche on you, Warheads. Oh. Are we getting ASMR on this?